if I sound a little stuffy or something, it's because I had surgery on my mouth yesterday and my voice is going in and out. But I'm participating. So hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by Zane. And this is a picture of my tray, and the first item on my tray is a candlestick that is duping as a vase. And this right here is normally a perfume bottle, but I'm using it as a essential oil bottle. And you can take that bottle and sprinkle essential oils onto the vase with the flowers on it, and you'll have either a nice lavender or rose flavor, whichever one you like. And then you saw the second piece was my candle, and I had added a little glam to it with the fur around it. And the third piece I added was the owl. The owl is for like wisdom. And then right here I'm showing you a little trinket, crystal trinket tray where my guests will be able to put their jewelry on so they won't lose it. And guys, I believe that these 4 pieces with the difference and variation of height is a great place to put a tray. Now I believe that a tray should look beautiful on all sides, that no matter where you look at it, you see beauty. And I'm also a stickler for practicality. Now if I had this is a everyday setup. Now if I actually had a guest here, I would leave snacks and towels and things like that. The remote would be in there so that they can feel at home. And I would have a candle there. It probably would be like a Bath and Body Works candle so that they can choose from. But I love this setup right here. I think that using the candlestick, the large candlestick as a vase, is something elegant. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it looks beautiful, and it's a matching set to what the candles sit on. Now Zane, I hope that vase, that candlestick, is good enough for the vase. And I do believe that a tray should complement a room. And as you can see, the room is my guest room. And y'all, if you haven't seen the makeover of this room, I'll link the video. But I believe that it should work hand in hand with the room. I feel like when you walk in a door, you should have a wow factor with it. And as you can see, lying on the throw was a diamond. Now this is what the tray looks like all lit up. And see, the owl is a dual purpose. It also lights up. And with the candle, I love the glow. You can still see the bedding and stuff. And see, now you have even more lighting. The the candlestick and the base stick both lights up. So it has, you can use it as a night light. So it holds a lot of purposes other than just being there looking beautiful. So I feel like this will be warm and inviting if a guest comes in and is moving into the room at night time to see this lit up for them, but with snacks and towels on it for them to feel comfortable and at home with. So yeah guys, I love the way this is set up, and I'd like to thank Zane over at Home with Zane for having me in this collab. And guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, I'll leave a link to Zane's channel in the description box along with his video. And guys, I love you so very much. Bye bye.